At Njori, we're on a mission to bring professional cooking precision to the home cook. Our cooker was born from a shared love of good design, technology, and an obsession with fried chicken. Buckle up, guys.
The Njori Tempo is a portable smart induction cooker that can measure, monitor, and regulate temperature and weight constantly to help you compose perfect meals every time. We've been designing and developing products for a number of years. We also both love food and we love cooking. The more we were trying new techniques and recipes, the more we found that we were quickly filling our kitchens with bulky single-use products.
Things like slow cookers, sous vide machines, temperature probes, deep fryers. I'm doing this, I just realised. The cost of all these gadgets really added up, and over time it turns out they weren't even that accurate.
This got us thinking, why isn't there a single product that offers complete control with endless possibilities to experiment, yet comes in a streamlined design that takes up a fraction of cupboard space? We created the Tempo to do just this. The sleek design makes the Tempo easy to store or transport. Accessories and cables tidy away neatly in the cork base, which is held closed by powerful magnets. I said that last bit really weird way, didn't I? Powerful magnets.
It's really easy to set up and start cooking with. You can use your own pan, and our magnetic dial allows you to seamlessly dial in a precise temperature right away. In quick start mode, the Tempo uses integrated sensors to precisely measure the temperature of your pan and maintain your target temperature, regardless of what you're cooking. That means you can be safer in the knowledge that you'll get consistent results every time.
The Tempo also has built-in scales, enabling you to measure ingredients directly in the pan before and during cooking. The reduce by weight functionality also brings new consistency to sauces and reductions.
Set your sauce to simmer, select your intended percentage reduction, and the Njori Tempo will alert you when it's time to head back to the kitchen.
We've designed our cooker to be super easy to navigate and experiment with.
The preset modes allow the user to explore a range of techniques that they've never tried before. The accessories are also attached via magnetic connectors. In sous vide mode, the circulator and probe combined turn the pan into a water bath, perfect for gentle cooking. This means you can enjoy restaurant quality and evenly cooked meat, fish and vegetables at home.
You can also use the probe for precision deep frying by easily attaching it to the side of your pan. This ensures your oil doesn't get too hot and is quickly brought back to target temperature after adding cold food.
You can't beat a good slow cook, but heavy slow cookers squander valuable cupboard space.
You didn't say squander properly.
Well, how did you not say squander? I think we should just use your take. I'm sorry, I've wasted your time.
You can serve succulent stews or casseroles using your pan of choice with the Njori Tempo in slow cook mode.
From cooking perfect rice, precision poaching, or tempering chocolate, the Njori Tempo has you covered. It gives you precise and responsive temperature controls and all of the accessories you need to cook like a pro. And when you're finished, it's easy to clean and it won't clutter your kitchen.
We have worked tirelessly for 3 years developing the Njori Tempo, using all of our experience and design expertise. For us, this really has been a passion project. We've been working with experienced electronics engineers in developing both the power and control electronics, and we've now finished development and we're ready for the next stage of manufacture. We're really excited to be offering you the first chance to get your hands on the Njori Tempo. If you're ready to discover your cooking potential, back us today and take your cooking to the next level.